how's it going guys? Sensei here. Okay then, you lovable gits. This package just been delivered to me just now, and I can't remember what the heck I've ordered this time, okay? But I thought it might be nice for us to open it up and see what's inside. And if you guys really do enjoy this video, please make sure that you like, comment, share, and please subscribe, because you're keeping me alive, my dear people, alive. I tell you, alive. Okay, so without any further introductions, let's do this, shall we? Love ya. Welcome back guys. Okay, sorry about that. I had to do a few adjustments, and also I kind of knocked the camera over by accident. Sorry, love ya. Okay, so you're probably wondering to yourself, Sensei, when the heck did you get into drones? About a few months ago actually, and this is the reason why I say to you guys, if you're not already yet following me upon Instagram, you guys really should, because it kind of keeps you up to date or what the heck is going on with this channel. Because the thing what happened was that I bought a really cheap knockoff drone, I did, and I was like, what, like in the UK, what, like at least like £20 that was, and I Instagrammed it, and you guys out there really did like it. So as a person who's a photographer and a filmmaker, you know, this is a perfect gadget to have, so to speak, because I really do enjoy traveling and also doing like landscape videos and photos, so to speak. So I thought to myself that let's deal with the simple one first, and then when you get really comfortable, you can upgrade to like a new one. So that's one of I did, guys. Okay, I got this one from Amazon actually, and if you want to check this one out for yourself, please look at the link box below, you guys. This one is £48 here in the UK. I am already a Amazon Prime member, I am, so I got this like next day delivered, I did. And if you guys don't understand yet, what is the difference between Amazon Prime and just like the normal standard stuff? Amazon Prime is sort of like next day delivery service, and also though, if you guys are a movie fanatic as like I am, they also have like great movies out already, which was the one I was just watching just recently. Burlesque, have I pronounced it right? If I haven't, sorry, forgive me. Christina Aguilera's and Cher's movie, fantastic, freaking loved it. God, you gotta love that woman, and that's like a really good service. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, please make sure that you guys do. Or why not use the link in the link box below, guys? I'll take you straight to Amazon where you guys can see this for yourself, and if you want it, you guys can purchase it for yourself as well. Okay, but I think I said enough on that note. Then should we just open it up and see what the heck's inside? Because I'm super excited. Okay, I'm like really am quite excited. I'm sorry guys, I'm actually having a hard time, you know, navigating this, so to speak. Sorry guys, 1 second, we have to get up actually for this. Okay, hold on, let me just bring it forward. Can I actually, you know what? Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, okay, sorry guys, my bad. Okay, fine. I don't remember me. Okay, sorry guys, I'm trying to get this thing off for you. Wow. Okay, so there goes the lid. Let me bring you guys in a bit closer. I'm so sorry guys. So this is the main drone, which is like freaking amazing. Wow. Are you seriously freaking kidding me? It is like really small and convenient. It is so much. So I've already seen a video, you know how this is supposed to be, and so far I am in love. I'm in love. Sorry guys, let me see. Sensei, could you please put it, you know, up. Thank you. Cool. Yeah, that is like really awesome. That is. Sorry guys, I think I accidentally knocked the camera. If I did, sorry. Love you. And this, my dear friends, looks like an Xbox One controller to me. It does, but actually this is my control of this drone, which is like really fantastic. Woo, I'm in love. Come off it guys, I'm in love, man. I am in love so much, I am. I did my research before I bought this, so if any of you guys out there are a little bit confused or stumbled over what the heck I'm on about, yours really did heavy. Yeah, so yeah, I mean this actually looks pretty awesome. I mean, like, it is sort of like an Xbox One controller, I'm gonna say, so which should make it really easy for me, so to speak, when I'm flying. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna pause this video and come right back because I need to flip this up and then I can connect my iPhone to it, okay? So I'll see you guys in a bit, okay? Love you guys. Welcome back guys. Okay, so I kind of showing you guys the controls I have, but what else is in this? Because, oh, wicked. Okay, cool. So you got an extra propellers you have, which is like really cool, and as you got a bit of a screwdriver. But what else do I have in this? Sorry guys, give me 1 sec. I am literally so sorry. Sensei cannot seem to open this. She really can't. So let me see what else is in this actually, so to speak. How about if I just tip? So yeah, so that is the USB reporter. You know, the battery recharger. I'm gonna say extra wings if you guys need it, and extra propellers if you guys have to change anything, so to speak. And right here, my dear friends, are the manuscript. And right here are the manuscript. Okay, which is cool. So it kind of shows you. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, that's fab. Okay. Ooh, me like. So that's gonna be something quite cool. Okay, so it just tells you, you know, what to do, such and such. Okay, cool. Thanks. No, that's cool. But actually, where is the battery? Sorry, guys. 1 sec. I want to see if there's a battery in here. There's gotta be a battery in here somewhere. I mean, it just really has to be like a battery. 1 sec, guys. 1 sec. Okay then guys, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the battery, okay, and it's really easy. All you have to do is press down. I know I had it like a minute ago. There you go. Ow, my finger. Sorry guys, my bad. And there you go guys, that is the battery that you need to recharge. There's a cool little USB port. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. So can you guys see that? There's a small little USB port where you guys can recharge it, and all you have to do actually is actually pretty cool. And also I really do highly recommend it if you do get this. This is an iPhone recharger. It works for iPhones, Androids, and many more devices, okay? And I will show you guys in a minute why you guys should buy that, because say for example if you're out and about and you're traveling and I don't know, your drone dies or your phone dies, and what you want to do, you want to get the recharger port, and like there you go. So it's like fully recharged, and then all you got to do then is grab this little puppy here, insert it. Sorry, which way am I looking at? This way, and is actually recharging your battery, which is like really cool. Welcome back guys. Okay, cool. So basically what I went and did, I went inside the main house, and it turned out that mum and dad did have some batteries on them. So I kind of asked them, and they kindly blessed my mum. Actually, if you guys wanna find out, yeah, who of you guys can thank for this video, a major thank you goes towards my mum. She was the one that, you know, put up the money, so to speak, because she goes to me that oh sorry guys, I'm so sorry. She goes to me, actually, I do see your interest in love when it comes to like filmmaking, and bless her, she very kindly, you know, put up the money for everything. So what I'm going to do now guys, I've just inserted the batteries into the joypad, and I'm going to take you guys back over to my phone, because there's an app that you have to download, and I'll walk with you guys on that one, okay? So can I just say once again, if you guys are really enjoying this video, please make sure that you leave me a thumbs up, like. If you guys want to ask me anything so far I've mentioned, please comment section below is here to ask me. Share, and please why not subscribe, because you're keeping me alive, okay guys? So love ya. So yeah, I'll probably see you guys in a bit, okay? Love ya. And welcome back guys. Okay, I'm actually quite sorry actually. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, because that's like really bright, that is. Actually, let me see if I can take down this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so basically what happened is that, you know, when I actually downloaded this app, and when I launched it, what's really weird though is that I could not find the film, the screen video to this. So what I did, I thought best though, disconnect it from my phone and I'll do it back over on my camcorder. So what you want to do, you want to go hit play, and in a minute there guys, I'm going to get everything else set up and we're going to do everything, and we're going to do something like a flight test, okay? So I'll probably see you guys in a minute, okay? So stay tuned, love you.